Now, you've touched on rail, and many commuters in Cape Town are reliant on Metrorail. Now, of course, we understand that the city of Cape Town doesn't necessarily have jurisdiction over the rail, but they're often described as unreliable and not secure. Is there something that can be done from the city's perspective in these areas?
Well, as you rightly say, the management, the authority, the operations of Metrorail falls under PRASA, the Passenger Rail Agency of South Africa, which is an agency of the National Department of Transport. So the city has a very small role to play. Our role is really a planning role where we identify where future corridors are needed, and then we lobby PRASA to invest and create those rail links. But the National Land Transport Act indicates that where municipalities have the capacity, they should become the authority over all land-based public transport. So we are working with PRASA to understand how we can take on a greater role with regards to the operations of Metrorail within the city. In the short term, we are working with PRASA to try and improve the commuter's experience. So we're going to look at integrating their timetable with our bus timetables. We're looking at integrated ticketing, and we're encouraging PRASA to address a number of challenges, including poor signalling, poor tracks. I mean, we have some tracks that are dangerously worn down, and so the trains are traveling at 10 kilometers an hour through those areas. So we're working with them to address those. But in terms of the city's role, we have no role and we have no financial contribution to make at this stage.